Hello mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of inequalities. Let's solve this question together. F is equals to 40x. The equation above represents Hooke's law, showing how force F in newtons applied to a certain spring relates to the spring's displacement x in meters. It is recommended that the maximum x be between 0.25 meters and 0.5 meters for the spring to operate safely. Which of the following inequalities describes the recommended range for the maximum force for the spring? To solve this equation, the problem, you don't even need to know the Hooke's law, what's all about it, but I'll just give you a little bit of introduction info for the one who's interested in. So technically, the Hooke's law, let me rewrite it. In Hooke's law, we have force. There is a direct relation between force and extension. And it goes like this. But after some points, there is a limit on this directly proportion. And after one point, the graph goes like this. So this is called elastic limits. So this is the limit, limits. Why am I writing this way? Okay, I correct it. This is the elastic limit. So in this specific question, just technically talking about this, but to solve it, I'm going to use this formula, and there are two given points. These are the range. So for F, I will call F1, 40 times x, instead of x 0.25, we will use. So it is easier to rewrite 0.25 as 1 over 4, or you can write 25 over 100. But 1 over 4 is going to be easier because 0.25 is a quarter. And F1 is 40 divided by 4 is 10. So F1 is 10. For the F2, I'm going to use a different color of pen. We will still use the same formula, 40x, F equals 40x. So 40 times, this time our range is 0.5. Times, instead of 0.5, I will just put half. F2, so 40 times half is 20. So our range is between 10, so it could be 10 and less than or equal to 20. Based on this information, the right choice will be choice D for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and have a good one. Bye-bye.